you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new or watching this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am so close to 9.6 thousand and I would love to hit that this year, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. But in today's video, we're going to go through all the things I have been loving throughout November. There's quite a few different things in this kind of favourites video that I have been absolutely obsessed with, and I can't wait to share them with you. So without further ado, grab yourselves a coffee or a tea or a snack, or all three, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing I have been loving is a Netflix series, and I do really want to kind of incorporate these in my favourites, but a lot of the time I do these, I forget to include it, which is always so annoying. But my Netflix favourite of the month has been Pretty Little Liars, which me and Ryan have been binge watching. And before you come at me and say, oh my god, that's such an old thing, I've watched it many a time. Ryan is new to the Pretty Little Liars gang, so we are watching it together, and I forgot how good this programme was. Honestly, if you have not watched Pretty Little Liars, you need to watch it. It's absolutely amazing. They've just put it back on Netflix and we are on season 1, and honestly, it's just so good. I honestly can't cope. If you are watching any Netflix series at the moment, let me know what it is, because we are always looking for new recommendations and we are series fiends. So yeah, we love a good series, so let us know down below what you've been loving. But Pretty Little Liars has been up there for us. We have been absolutely obsessed. Next up, moving on to my makeup favourites, I have 2 items to share with you. The first one is an eyeshadow from Colourpop, and this is the Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Frog, and this is a beautiful product. Honestly, I cannot even tell you how stunning this is in person, because on camera you probably can't even really see how beautiful this is. But if I kind of show you it on my finger, can you see that? If I show you like this, does it show up on camera? Honestly, the most beautiful eyeshadow in the world. It's so pretty. It's like a pink champagne with blue and gold glitter in it. I can't even, I just can't even. This was kindly gifted to me by my friend Kelsey. We did a US UK box swap. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. But this has been probably one of my favourite items in the box. It's such a beautiful consistency. The colour payoff is amazing. The glitter in it is incredible, and I absolutely love it. My second makeup favourite of the month has been this MAC lipstick. Now we are throwing it back to 2015 when MAC lipsticks were all the rage, and I have quite a lot of them still, and I really love them. But I find that in the week when I'm working, I don't even really wear makeup, let alone wear a lipstick. But when I've been filming recently, probably my past month's worth of videos at least, I have been wearing this. I've got it on today. I am obsessed. This is the MAC lipstick in Tray Blaze, and I don't know what make this is, as in if it's a luster or a cream sheen or anything. It doesn't actually say, but it is very creamy, so I don't think it's, I don't know, I'm not too sure. But that is the colour. Absolutely beautiful. It's a very nice kind of peachy toned nude colour, and I am absolutely obsessed with this. It goes on so nicely. I actually got this from TK Maxx for £9. Barjan, love it. But yeah, that was a while ago, so do have a look in TK Maxx, because they do sometimes have all the kind of higher end stuff in there. So yeah, MAC lipstick, absolute fave, love that. And lastly, before I move on to my Lush favourites, I have been really enjoying using the Hawaiian Tropic Beach Dreams Fragrance Mist. This is the Shimmer Edition. Now, before you come at me and say like this is a very like year 9 vibe, I know it's a year 9 vibe, okay? I bought it for Halloween because I went as Poison Ivy and I wanted to be glittery, and I actually really enjoy this. If I put some on my hand, that was probably far too much. But just to show you guys what it looks like, hang on. Beautiful. Can you guys see the subtle shimmer? It's gonna be really embarrassing when I go to edit this video and you probably can't see anything on it, but it's so lovely, very subtle, but it smells really nice. It kind of smells just like a nice perfumey smell. I wouldn't put this like all over my clothes, it's not that kind of vibe, but it's definitely a really nice thing to kind of put on if you're going out for a meal and you want to put it on after the shower. That is when you'd put this on and you just sparkle, and it's amazing. So I really love this. It was a little bit expensive. I think it was £10, but I bought it because it was Halloween night, the night before, and I needed to get some glitter for my outfit, and I went everywhere, and I ideally wanted the spray on, but I couldn't find any, and this was all I had in Superdrug, so I bought this. Long story short, I bought this. I like it, smells nice, and yeah, if you fancy a little bit of body glitter for kind of Christmas, bang in. And lastly, moving on to all my Lush favourites, what you guys have been waiting for. The first one is in a sample pot. I don't know if that's cheating or not, but I did get given this sample when I went to Lush a few weeks ago. And this is the Sweet Wild Orange Hand Balm. And honestly, the smell of this, oh my... It's so good, guys. It's this beautiful orange colour. I absolutely love this. I'm going to have to put some on my wrist because I've got glitter everywhere. It smells like a really ripe tangerine, if that makes sense. It's not... It's like Bright Side, but not. It's so good. Honestly, the smell of this is amazing. It's definitely more of a summer smell in my opinion, but I absolutely love it. And I've been reaching for this so much, and I love that it's in a sample size so I can put it in my handbag if I want to. I just love this. I really want to get a full-size pot of this because it just smells incredible. However, don't get confused because they have got an orange foot lotion. Can be confusing. This is the hand cream. Amazing. The next item is an oldie but an absolute classic, and I'm so sorry because you can't buy this anymore. That is the Yognag Body Milk. Now this product I only ever really use throughout the months of like November, December, January because it is a very wintry, nostalgic Christmas smell for me, and I don't want to go using this in the summer. I have done, and I really just don't want to ruin it because it smells like Christmas to me, but this is an absolute lifesaver. It's a very thin moisturiser, so it's not gonna leave you sticky and feeling like there's too much on your skin. Ingredients wise, this one has almond oil, clove bud oil, ylang ylang oil, gardenia extract. It's very hard to explain the smell via the ingredients because to me it's like caramel cookies. It's so incredibly good. I just really don't want to run out. I actually have got a larger bottle of this, but I never want to run out. It's honestly amazing, and it doesn't look like I've used any, but I have. It's because it's hollow on the inside. But yeah, amazing, delicious, 10 out of 10. Love it. The next item is a hair product, and that is the Super Milk Hair Primer. Now I actually use this kind of like after I've washed my hair. I scrunch it in my hair, leave my hair to dry naturally, and that is how I use this. It's more of like a leave-in conditioning spray in my opinion. However, what I will say is instead of spraying out the nozzle, I do just like pour a little bit in my hand, or I spray it into my hand as opposed to like directly on my hair. I find that when it's directly on the hair, it's very like wet. Does that make sense? It just comes out in like one big whoosh as opposed to like a nice mist. So I tend to put it on my hands first, scrunch it all in, and I really love this. The Lush curly hair range is just absolutely incredible for my hair. I really love it. I haven't actually had my hair naturally curly in a while. It's just been a lot of effort for me recently, so I just let it dry naturally and just like shove it up, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is an amazing product if you've got curly hair, dry hair. Delightful. And last but not least is a body spray. I have mentioned this a few months ago, and that is the Plum Rain body spray. With my Lush body sprays, I do tend to go through them in an order. Does that make sense? I will open one and then I will finish it, and then I'll open another one and finish it. So this is the one I'm using at the moment, and honestly this smells incredible. Super fresh, super amazing. When I used to smell this when it first came out, I thought it didn't smell anything like the shower gel, but actually when it's on the skin it does kind of almost change and kind of adapt to the same shower gel smell, which RIP you can't buy anymore, but it's amazing. So this is a beautiful product. I don't know whether you can get this anymore actually. I feel like they probably discontinued this as well, but I'm not sure, so I do apologise if you can't buy it anymore, but this is a beautiful product, and the ingredients in this one is, I have no idea, petitgrain oil, osmanthus absolute, mandarin oil. It's hard to describe it because to me it's a very fruity, earthy, but not like garden smell, and it's got like a very kind of sweet, like sour, like sherbet smell to it. I don't know. Absolutely delicious. I apologise if you can't buy it anymore, but this has been a favourite of mine and I'm absolutely obsessed. So that is everything for my November favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and let me know down below what you've been loving this month. I feel like now we're getting into Christmas, so before the Christmas time is here, happy November. Good luck with Christmas shopping. I'm gonna need some. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!